How to manage notification in Notion. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to manage notification in Notion. To manage notification, you just need to go to the settings and then members. That means open up your Notion's application and then go to the home page. And when you're taken to the home page, you want to click on your profile initials from the top of the page and locate settings. If you cannot find it here, you could just go ahead and explore the settings section over here, and you have to go ahead and click on my notifications or just go to members from the list. As you actually do it, so you could just click on the three dot icon and then locate notification if you could find, and that way you'll be able to manage notification in Notion. Now likewise, other than that, what you could do is, if this is a complex way, you could just skip this part and then long press the Notion application. Go ahead and tap on the app info icon and click on notification, and you could just go ahead and toggle the button, and then you could allow or customize the notification accordingly. And that's how you could manage notification in Notion. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.